Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 10 Best Amazon Review Products. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. Best 8TW's Amazon gadgets and innovation videos, like we're going to unbox the latest gadget that's taking the tech world by storm, or I'll share my best 8TWs. So let's start the video. The Transformers TFT23 earbuds deliver powerful sound with Bluetooth 5.0 for a seamless wireless experience. Featuring an iconic design, they offer 24-hour battery life and quick charge capabilities, perfect for on-the-go use. The ergonomic fit ensures comfort during extended wear, while the built-in mic allows for clear calls. Elevate your audio game with these high-performance earbuds, blending cutting-edge tech with classic Transformers style. Experience superior sound with Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4 Active, delivering powerful bass and crystal-clear audio in every beat. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Bluetooth 5.3. Offering a stable connection for up to 28 hours of playtime. Ergonomically designed for all-day comfort, these buds are perfect for workouts, commutes, or relaxation. With IPX4 water resistance, they're ready for any adventure. Elevate your audio experience with Xiaomi's latest innovation. The black wireless Bluetooth earbuds deliver crisp sound and deep bass, perfect for music lovers on the go. With seamless Bluetooth connectivity, enjoy up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. Their sleek, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, making them ideal for workouts and daily wear. The touch controls allow for easy access to calls and music. Elevate your audio experience with these stylish and powerful earbuds. The TWS wireless earbuds, headphones, Bluetooth M10 deliver exceptional sound quality with deep bass and clear treble. With a sleek design and comfortable fit, these earbuds are perfect for all-day wear. Enjoy up to 30 hours of playtime with the included charging case, making them ideal for on-the-go listening. The M10 earbuds also feature intuitive touch controls and a stable Bluetooth 5.0 connection, ensuring seamless audio streaming. Elevate your music experience with the M10, where style meets superior sound. Experience unbeatable sound with Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4 Active TWS wireless earbuds. With powerful bass, crystal-clear audio, and an impressive 28-hour battery life, these earbuds are perfect for all-day listening. Enjoy a comfortable fit and seamless Bluetooth connectivity, making them your ideal music companion. Experience crystal-clear sound with the TWS Bluetooth headphones. Offering seamless connectivity and an immersive audio experience, these earbuds are perfect for music lovers on the go. With ergonomic design and long-lasting battery life, enjoy your tunes comfortably all day. Experience seamless control and crystal-clear sound with TWS touchscreen earbuds. Featuring an intuitive touchscreen, these earbuds offer active noise cancelling for an immersive listening experience. Enjoy wireless freedom with Bluetooth connectivity and top-tier audio quality. Perfect for music lovers on the go. Experience crystal-clear sound with Blackview wireless noise-canceling earbuds, featuring advanced Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity. These in-ear headphones offer superior noise cancellation, ensuring uninterrupted listening. With a sleek design and comfortable fit, they're perfect for all-day wear. Elevate your audio experience with Blackview.